Introducing a 1956 Cessna 172 Skyhawk, now available at auction in Nevada, USA. A classic and proven time builder, this affordable Cessna will be sold with a fresh annual inspection and offers an excellent opportunity for ownership, restoration, tailwheel conversion, or continued hour building. Registered as N6626A, this four-seat single-engine piston aircraft features a 42-gallon fuel capacity, a useful load of over 860 pounds, and a cruise speed of approximately 111 knots. Powered by a 145-horsepower Continental O300A engine, the aircraft is VFR equipped and ready for its next owner. Offered through AirSpace auctions in Las Vegas, with the online auction starting on the 21st of January, 2026. View full details online and take part in the auction.